So, what I have realized as a mentor is that the problem of struggling traders or intermediate traders is not just only about the technical aspect of the market. I have realized that 99% of struggling traders are struggling because they lack financial intelligence. And the fact that this forex business is about money, you must have some level of knowledge about finances before you can excel in the industry. If not, you will always come into the market with the mindset of a gambler. And as you know, this channel has been created for traders. I've been uploading tradable content out here. So this time around, I'm going to be blending the two, both what financial intelligence and the trading aspect of the market. I'll be teaching you how to trade properly and how to understand money or how to understand finances as a trader so that it can help you to smoothen your trading journey successfully. So today, we're going to be talking something small about money, because I've realized that most of you guys don't have a clear understanding of money, what money is really about. So, in simple put, if they ask you what is money, if you don't know anything to say, just tell the person money is time. Why do I say so? You see, God has created us so unique in such a way that you can't have two different people with the same physical and what natural, physically or natural and psychological features. Two people can never be the same. You must have a differences in you. God has never created two people with the same features and the same everything to be the same. No, God has never done that. We are all different people together. But one thing that God has created so unique to each and every one, that God has given to each and every single creature on this earth, that we all have equally. And when you gather all the financial resources, all the monetary valuable resources on earth, gather all the billionaires on earth, the trillionaires on earth, whatever, all the money that is on earth, when you gather it together, it can buy even a quarter of that. And God has given this thing to each and every human being on earth. Whether you are fair or black, whether you are fat or slim, whether you are you are black or white, whatever that it is, God has given us this thing the same. Why? Because God is a faithful God, and He knows that this is what you can trade for money. And for you to sit comfortable on this earth, you must have some portion of what? Finances. Some level of finances that can help you what? Sit on this earth smoothly. So because of that, God has given each and every human being this thing equally. Nobody has it more than the other, which is what? Time. No matter who you are, no matter your geographical location, your environment, whatever be the case, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. And there's no any billionaire on earth who has the financial capacity or ability to buy 1 second or 1 minute or an hour in addition to the 24 hours that we all have as human beings. You understand? So God has given us the potential, what we can use to make money as human beings, which is what? Equal to everyone. So for you to be rich or poor, it means that this has to do with your decisions. What you do with your 24 hours in a day, it determines how successful you will live on this earth. So your financial situation depends on what you do with your 24 hours in a day. The rich does not have 25 hours. The poor does not have 23 hours. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. So what you do with your 24 hours is what matters. You understand? So now, how do you make money as a youth when you have 24 hours a day? It means that within these 24 hours, you must create a value for yourself. It is the value that you can use to exchange for money. And when we talk about value, value is in two forms. You either create a product or you render a service. That solves the problem of what? Of the people. Because each and everyone has a problem. We all have a problem. So in order to get money from me, the money is in my pocket. But how do you get the money? You have to solve my problem so that I can pay you for that. So those of you who are looking for money, money is not missing. And we don't search for money, we don't chase money. We attract money. What do you use to attract money? By creating value for yourself. And what is the value? By rendering a service or what? Creating a product for the people. Now, let's relate this to trading. How can this help you as a trader? In the forex market, we don't chase profit. You can't become profitable in the market by chasing the market or by chasing the profit. You attract it. How do you attract it? By creating value to yourself as a trader. And what is the value needed in the forex industry? One, we have three things that give you the value which you can use to attract money or profit in the industry. And that is what? The psychological tips, the risk management techniques, and the technical ability of a trader. These are the three things that goes together. You can't lack one and expect to be successful in the market. You must have all these three before you can create a value for yourself that can attract profit in the market. And how do you create this value for yourself? There are in two forms. You either learn it by yourself or create it by yourself, or you emulate someone who has done it before. You look for someone who has the results, who have done that before, so that the person can take you through on the necessary procedures or the guidelines that he followed and has been able to achieve that. So to succeed as a trader, you must have all these things. And this is the reason why a lot of traders are suffering or have been trading for so many years without being profitable, because they fail to understand the financial aspect of the market or even finances in general. And then when you fail to understand finances, you can never be successful in the forex industry. So stop chasing profit and attract it. How do you attract it? By creating the value. What is the value? By learning what? The risk management techniques, the psychological techniques, and the technical abilities that can make you a profitable trader. So right now, I'm going to be talking much about finances in my content. And if this content is useful and helpful to you, please just use 1 second of your time to click on the subscription button or the like button. Also share the video for others to benefit. And if you are watching me for the first time, I'm the person of King Tech, aka the Rising Star, the CEO of Show Me the Way FS Academy. So until you see me again in my next video, I'm out.